Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, August 19th. Looking at window traders' market profile of the ES and NQ. These bulls are stubborn. My goodness. This is day 10. Day 10 that ES has gone up. We took back the 3 days that pulled back from the first, from that Thursday, Friday, Monday. New monthly highs in ES and NQ. NQ's huge gap from the 24th. Almost taken back. Still leave just over $1. It was over $5. I told the room, there's no way this gap gets filled today without a strong trend day. Well, they tried to go trend early in NQ. C filled. We had another chance in G. They were sputtering. But then they got their act together. But even with that, still didn't fill it. But very impressive. Righty got close to filling their gap from that Thursday. Did not fill it. But they go out with a price probe, a double distribution day, and an afternoon pullback in F. NQ goes out. A large price probe, a double distribution day, and an afternoon pullback. I apologize. They don't have an afternoon pullback. No, they never did. Wow, I didn't realize that. ES goes out with a price probe and a triple distribution day. Now, I'm not using I as a pullback because I only took it out by one tick. I'd like to have two. SPY did take it out by more than one. So SPY used as a pullback. Volume POC never raised all the way down at 02.25. We closed all the way up at 31, almost $3 higher. Same with NQ, volume POC all the way below. Again, is this still a continuation of short covering with just momentum buyers? It can go on for days and weeks. Well, this is 2 full weeks now. The other thing which is very bullish, we're now up on the weekly in ES and righty. Most people will call NQ up also on the weekly. And I don't have a problem with that. I'm still not sure if I'm going to. We'll see how the week pans out because of this gap. Okay? Volume horrendous. Again, it's something that we're always dealing with. But volume right now, very, very light. Only in the 30s. It shouldn't be in the top 10 lightest, but that's definitely a concern. I had a good day. They gave me both sides of my favorite trade early today. I took the long in B to pop A's high. I took the short in B to pop A's low. I didn't stick around to see if we were going to get the overnight low. I was like, if they get it, that's fine. I still had a good trade. If they come back and they're back and forth and look like they're going to go for it again, I'll get back in. Because whoever took either the breakout above A or attempted breakout or below A really got hurt. But I got both of them. I was happy. I did miss C taking out the IB high. Just wasn't quick enough. But I did well in D period on longs with ebb and flow longs because we had the single prints. I then took a long in G to pop the day's high and finally get the overnight high, which was our monthly high at that point. Okay? But then I took a short in G because I didn't think we'd attempt to go trend again. And I got paid. I also shorted H and I. Now, H didn't hold trend. I did. When I made money on both of them and then I started creeping up later in the time frame, again, I told the room, my short game is over right now. I said it's hard for me to look for longs because that gap is so large, but I am not shorting this anymore. There's no harm in being neutral like that. There's no shame, no nothing. So, yeah, we grinded higher, but it was hard for me to say, well, I want to get involved here because, yes, we had single prints, and yes, we knew where our out was. I just didn't have it. What I did do, believe it or not, is I longed M period right before the turnover to pop L's high. And I made a little on that, and then that was it. And then we had a very, very strong spike late in M period. So good, very good day overall. As far as destinations, 31.25 is now a monthly high in ES right now. Price probe 20.25. Single prints 13 to 12.75. Second set 11.75 to 11. Third set 93 to 92. And then today's low of 73.50. In SPY, 559.58 is our new monthly high. Price probe 558.48. Single prints 557. Oh, I can't read that. 78 to 76. Second set 557.68 to 56. Pullback 556.90. First set of singles 555.76 to 68. And today's low of 553.86. In fact, oh yeah, I did put weekly low. Okay. I like to mark them weekly low, weekly high when they first start the week, and then change that as it goes on. Now let's go to the charts. So here's your monthly. That monthly candle is amazing, right? It continues to amaze and delight children of all ages as it continues to push up. Can we have an outside month up by the end of the month? You never know. SPY only has 4 upside destinations to the all-time high. So unless the Fed minutes or Jackson Hole derails this market, we'll see what's going to happen going forward. Now here's the weekly. The weekly's up. We came out of a 4-week balance to the upside. The reason triple Qs, NQ. Oh, look at that. We never took out this weekly high yet. Do you see that? Oh, this is NQ now. I didn't realize I had that on there. So there you go, instead of triple Qs. So that's why I was still calling it balanced. Okay? And I think I'm going to. So NQ is still balanced. And then, let's go to ES. I didn't realize I had the ES chart up here. And then let's go to the daily. Obviously up. Obviously up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Was it 9? Hold on. Let me go with SPY for a second. I apologize. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days in a row. We are one time framing up. Now, again, the volume, as of right now, is 37.4 million. It's not now top 10 lightest, but it's pretty horrendous. So that's the one big concern. But the weekly's now up in the ES, as is the daily. NQ, I still would like it to take out that other weekly high, which I believe is July 23rd. Hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.